Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Sarah and today we're doing something very simple but very powerful.
Hi guys, I'm Alex. Today's topic is Tell me about yourself, a question we hear everywhere. Interviews, friendships, first meetings.
Exactly, but answering it confidently is not always easy. So today, Alex and I will ask each other questions and share honest answers.
This episode is for both girls and boys who want to improve communication skills and self-confidence.
चलिए, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं. Basic introduction.
Okay?
Alex, let's start simple. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Alex. I am a curious person who loves learning new things. I enjoy podcasts, reading, and self-development. I believe growth comes from experience.
Okay,
Now my turn. Sarah, tell me about yourself.
my name is Sarah. I am passionate about creativity and communication. I love talking to people, understanding different perspectives, and expressing myself.
Okay?
What kind of person are you emotionally?
I would say I'm calm and thoughtful. I don't react quickly. I like to understand situations before responding. What about you, Sarah? How would you describe your personality?
I'm positive and expressive. I feel emotions deeply, but I also believe in staying strong and optimistic. What do you like doing in your free time?
I enjoy listening to podcasts, going for walks, and sometimes just sitting quietly and thinking. And you?
I love journaling, music, and meaningful conversations. What is one challenge that changed you?
Facing failure taught me patience. I learned that setbacks are lessons, not endings. Sarah, what has life taught you so far?
Life taught me self-respect. If you value yourself, the world treats you differently. Do you believe struggles make people stronger?
Absolutely. Comfort doesn't create growth, challenges do. Where do you see yourself in the future?
I see myself confident, independent, and doing something meaningful. What about you, Alex?
I want to inspire people through my work and live a balanced, peaceful life.
What advice would you give to someone afraid to speak about themselves?
Be honest. You don't need to impress anyone. Just be real.
So this was our Tell Me About Yourself podcast.
We hope this conversation helps you answer this question with confidence.
If you liked this episode, share it and keep listening.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.